अभी मैं बनाने जा रही हूँ एक जो देसी भुट्टा होता है उसकी सलाद बनाने जा रही हूँ। तो ये उसके लिए ये ऑलमोस्ट 1 कप ऑफ देसी भुट्टा है। तो इसको कैसे आसानी से आप छील सकते हैं वो मैं लिंक दे दूँगी डिस्क्रिप्शन में, एंड एज वेल एज यू मे सी इट समवेयर अबव। सो हाँ, तो ऑलमोस्ट ये 1 cup or maybe one and half of desi bhutta ko what I have done is like I have put some water, little bit of oil, and you can see some khada masala like one tej patta, then one small piece of dalchini, one small piece of star anise, and a little bit of dhania powder, little bit of chili powder, and salt. So a little bit of salt. So with all that, I have pressure cooked it for 4-5 whistles. No matter how many whistles you give, the desi buttas are hard, so they will never become like butter soft. Uh, so there is no point. So whatever whistle, give 4-5 in 1 or 2 in the high flame, and then remaining 3-4 in the low flame. So after this, so what I have done is I have removed the khada masala, which is this is the star anise, this small piece, this is the dalchini, one small piece, this is one tej patta, and that's all the khada masala I had. Other than that, I had put, like I said, small teaspoon of coriander powder and small teaspoon of or maybe very little of chili powder and salt as per taste. You can also add coriander leaves, coriander roots. If you have coriander roots and big stems, the thick ones, you can put them into this while boiling. Actually, you can use that for any kind of regular rajma, chole. Whenever you are boiling such kind of dal, you can put them, and it will give awesome aroma. So yeah, so now what I do is like I will remove this water and just take out the curds into a cup. So I am using this chutney. This water I have no use, but if you want to use it for something else, maybe to boil something else, or I also have added a little bit of haldi. So I am going to throw this water. I will not be keeping, so I will throw this. This is this much is the curd. I think it would be at least one big butta or 1.5 buttas curd. If you want, you can use soft buttas, and you can use sweet corn. But I like this regular desi curd, so that's why I am doing it. And to go with the salad, I have these ingredients already ready. 2 medium size tomatoes. After removing all the inside seeds and everything, all that liquid, only the flesh part I have chopped into small pieces. 1 medium onion, one almost 2 inch or 1.5 inch of adrak small cut, 2 green chilies sliced into smaller finer pieces, and a small bunch of dhania cut into dhania as per your taste, and even onion if you don't want to put, don't put. Adrak if you don't want to put, don't put. So it is whatever salad stuff you will do. And then I also have taken a small piece of lemon. I will be using some roasted peanuts into the salad. So let's get started. Now I have taken this glass bowl. I will put first Yeah, no water. See that you are not putting the water. So when I was extracting, some water is still there. I'll make sure there's no water. Alright. So into this, so this is almost half of the my bowl, and next I will add my tomatoes. I feel the onions are a lot, but I do not like keeping cut onions in the fridge. That's why I am using it the whole amount, but you can adjust as per your taste. Right, so add everything. I thought this bowl will be enough, but looks like this is getting filled. I will be having difficulty while mixing it. You can take a bigger bowl. So it's error in judgment that I have. Now into this I will add this roasted peanuts, organic roasted peanuts, almost 2 tablespoons or 8 muthi, and then I will be adding the salt. As per my taste, since I will be putting little bit of onion, so I'll see how much I need. Right now I'm adding almost 1 small teaspoon of salt, and then I will squeeze the lemon. It has no seeds, so it should be fine. If you have seeds, so see that you don't accidentally have the seeds left in the salad. It will totally spoil the taste if it comes into your mouth. Alright, I'm not squeezing it too much because then it may get bitter. Adding my star ingredient, which is nothing but cold press mustard oil. Whatever oil you eat, mostly put something high flavor. Mustard oil goes super nice, so add some little bit amount, around 2 teaspoon of mustard oil I have added. So that's my salad dressing, you can call it. Actually, any protein that you eat, you should add some kind of fat into it so that your protein gets absorbed well. So our desi corn is protein, then our peanuts are protein. So and then having this having this cold press mustard oil, it will give the full flavor of the mustard oil, right? And I may add little bit of jeera powder. This is not the roasted jeera powder, this is the raw jeera powder. So I will add around half teaspoon of raw jeera powder. Some people basically, if you want, and I will be adding a little bit of black pepper powder into this, very little. Yeah, so I added the black pepper powder. That's it. Now let's mix well. So some people may add the what do you say, the chaat masala into this. If you like it, add it, but I already have so much of flavor, especially my mustard flavor. I do not want to spoil it. The flavor of mustard, the flavor of onion, green chili, coriander leaves, I am happy with this. Hence I will not be adding the not mustard. I will not be adding the chaat masala powder into this. So that's it. I feel the mustard flavor is coming super nice. I'm just loving it. So yeah. So this is our final mixed corn, the desi corn salad. You can eat it as much and then leave the remaining in the fridge. and make sure you chew it well. It's high fiber and it's a little hard because it's the desi butta. So chew it well, take your time in eating this, and this is super tasty. Adjust the salt and everything as per your choice, and so make it at your home and enjoy with your family or enjoy yourself. It's such a super healthy stuff, and I do not like adding any sprouts or anything into it, but it's up to you what and all you want to add. But yes, don't forget the star ingredient, which is the mustard, the raw mustard's oil, and that's it. And if you want, I think I will also do that, add little bit of seo on top of that when you are having it. It will just enhance the taste. So enjoy it, and do like, subscribe and share my channel, and as well as do give any comments if you have suggestions and constructive feedback if you want to. And with that, I'll say bye. जा रही हूँ तो मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ कि आज मैं क्या क्या खा रही हूँ लंच में. ये देखिए, ये है मेरा थाली. सो दिस इज़ द देसी कॉर्न का सलाद. ऊपर थोड़ा सा मैंने ये सेव डाले हैं. इसका रेसिपी आई विल गिव इन द description or the link. These are 4 small idlis that I have made with urad ka dal and hand pounded brown rice. Then this is Amarnath saag with dal. This is I made it yesterday, and this is a very famous South Indian dal. We don't have in Odisha we do not have exactly Amarnath saag. We have khada saag. Maybe it is the same thing, but they are not the same. But it's very tasty, so I make it. Some other day I may give the recipe. Yesterday I could not do the recipe. I had to cook fast. Then this is the lobia and brown chana dal ka curry like rajma with butter in it. This is also very tasty. I did not shoot this as well. Again, if I make, I'll definitely shoot it. So yeah, this is my lunch. Today I will take bye here, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. And do like, subscribe and comment on my blogs, and encourage and share. That's all. Bye bye.